Good morning, this is Mike Oaks with Rockaway down here at the beach in front of the beautiful 4 Points. So what we're doing today is literally building a wall. The wall is going to be 3 courses high. We got 6-foot high pillars, 9 foot worth of block material to make the columns. What you don't see is inside each one of the columns all the way down. We drill a hole as deep as we can get, roughly about 1 foot. And then we put the fiberglass rebar in. The reason why we use the fiberglass rebar out here at the beach is because it's the beach, the salt water. There's a lot of flooding, coastal flooding, the hurricanes, things like that. We're just trying to eliminate a lot of problems. What we're doing is we're mortar mixing. Everything is secured to the ground, leveled off. In between each row, we have the ladder, just helps stabilize the wall from being able to flex and bend. Same with the columns. We have the fiberglass rebar. The reason why we use the fiberglass is because the salt water likes to corrode the metal. We cement them down inside the pre-drilled hole, and then we fill it up with concrete. Columns are going to be solid concrete. So once we get the columns up 6 foot high and the walls 3 foot high, we have a stucco crew that's coming in. They're going to do a stucco finish on top of all this. And then our carpentry team's going to come in and they're going to add the 4-foot fence in between the columns. So column there, and then literally right on top of this will be a nice clean cap, and we'll have a nice 4-foot fence, keep 4 points and 4 points, and the beach people on the beach. We have roughly about 1,000 wall block, and we're probably pushing about 700, 800 wall block that we've already installed. And with that, we're gonna try to get everything wrapped up and make it look all nice and beautiful. Remember, anything you need, carpentry, landscape, irrigation, softscape, maintenance, it doesn't matter what it is, whatever you need, you give us a shout and we'll figure it out.